Hey guys, welcome to the 120th C# tutorial that I'm making for the new Boston. And in this tutorial, I'm going to continue showing you how to draw two more shapes, and that will be the pie and the polygon. So for this tutorial, you're just going to need to have a panel and an event for when someone clicks the panel. Let's just go to that. So just like in the previous tutorial, we're going to have to create a new solid brush, which will just be the color that we're going to fill our polygon with and our pie. So I'll just make it be blue, I guess. Alright. And just like before, we're going to have to create new graphics. So I'll just call it G, and just like before, we're going to have to set it equal to panel1.createGraphics so that we can draw what we want on this panel right here. So in order to draw a graph, which is the first, or a pie, which is the first thing we're going to do, we're going to do G dot fill and then pie. And a pie is basically just a pie graph. If you've ever seen one of those, like it's like hard to explain, but it's like a circle and there's all the different categories inside of it. So it's pretty much that. So first thing that we have to do here is pass through a brush. So we're just going to pass through SB for a solid brush. And the next is the X coordinate where it will begin. I'll just make it 20 for it now by 20. And the width, I'll just make it 60 by 60 so we can see it. And then these next two things is the start angle. And that basically means the angle at which your pie is going to start drawing. So if you make it 0, it'll start like right here. If you can imagine it was like a pie, like around this, it would start like right there. And if you made it like, I don't know, like 90 or something, then it would start like vertical. So, see what I mean? We're just going to make it 0 for right now, so we'll just start like right there. And the sweep angle is basically how much it will sweep around. And if we make it 180, we'll just have a half circle that looks like this. And if we made it like 270, we would have a circle that has like a chunk missing out of it, so it would look like that. So I'm just going to make it 270 because it's like hard to like explain it. But yeah, so you'll just see what I mean. So yeah, that's like a pie. So yeah, if this is 270, so it starts here and then sweeps 270 degrees around here. So we get 3/4 of a circle. And obviously if we made it 180, it would be half of a circle. Yep, and if we messed with this start angle, so if we make start angle 90, yeah, it starts right there and then sweeps around this way. So it just always sweeps around clockwise. And the next thing that we're going to be drawing is a polygon. And a polygon calls for, well, obviously a brush, so SB, and it also calls for points. And these points will be where it will start. So we would have to make 3 points for a triangle, so like one up here, one down here, and one over here. So we're going to have to create an array of points. So we're just going to say point, call it points, and we're just going to create some new points here. I'll just do 3, so new point, and I'll say 0, and then 20. We'll start at, 0, 20, then new point, 0, 0. And then new point 20, 0. And if this works how I planned it, we will see a right triangle. And I'm really bad at like putting in numbers here and then it doing what I actually want it to, but yeah, perfect, a right triangle. And you can obviously mess around with these if you want to make different things. Like if we wanted to make there be like a square or something, then we would just add another point here. So if you wanted to make there be like a 6-sided figure, then you'd have 6 points here and so on. I'll just add another point to make it a square. I think this will make it a square. Alright. Yeah, square. Alright. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. So see you guys.